Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and try on the Volcom Circle Blanks tank top. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So in this packet is a Volcom Circle Blanks tank top in heather black. I'm just taking a look at the details that's on the clear plastic bag packaging. And the packaging is recyclable. Now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open the flap and sliding the tank top out from it. And there's a pack of desiccant or silica gel. Keep that away from babies, children and animals. And of course with the clear plastic bag packaging we can reuse or recycle it thoughtfully. So giving you a look at the Volcom Circle Blanks tank top in heather black, and this one is in the small size. So giving you a look front and back of the tank top before I start handling it and giving you a much closer in look. So right there, giving you that look. Now let's take a much closer in look. So you can see the Volcom label, sizing and made in India details. And of course with the hang tag, taking a look at the hang tags that are attached to the tank top. So with the smaller one you can see the details that's on it. And flipping over to the reverse side, the Volcom branding, and of course with the larger hang tag, giving you a look at the details that's on it as well. Okay, and now let's unfold the tank top so you have a full look and view of it. So as I mentioned, this tank top is in the small size and in the heather black color. So just unfolding the rest of the tank top so you have a complete look at all the details of the tank top. And I'm going to put it lengthwise to provide a much fuller picture of the tank top. So right there, the Volcom Circle Blanks tank top, heather black, and on the reverse or back side of the tank top, and now let's take a close-up view of the tank top. So giving you a look at the material details, the fabric, and of course the textures, stitching, and overall construction and design of this tank top. So giving you a look at the shoulder area of the tank top, and of course the fabric. And the tank top weighs approximately 155 grams. And now taking a look at the chest logo there, that's printed on the tank top. The circle stone Volcom logo. Let's see how far in we can get. Of course there's some shadow from the camcorder, but nonetheless giving you a look at the circle Volcom logo with the stone in it. And taking a look at the hem or waist of the tank top, you can see there is a Volcom tag label attached with Volcom printed on both the outer and inner sides where the fold of the tag is. And of course the inside stitching details and the sheerness of the fabric, you can see just about make out my fingers right there without even stretching. However, on this side, from the inside, not so apparent. From the outside looking in, but from the inside looking out. And of course the inner tag as well, so giving you a look at the care information of this tank top. So just taking a look at the details there, and we can see the composition of the fabric, which appears to be 50% cotton and 50% polyester. So right there, giving you a look at all the details that's on the label on the inside with the materials and care information or instructions. Okay, so having seen the tank top from the front, taking a look at the back as well, straight up. So you can see the back of the tank top, so I'm just going to slide it across the tabletop to give you that full look at the shoulders and back area, of course. And of course there is a camcorder and tripod in the way, which kind of hinders my movement slightly, but nonetheless giving you a look right there at the details once again, front, back, right throughout, inside as well. So you can see the overall details once again, and the, of course, neckline, and armholes of the tank top. So taking a look at the bottom area and the stitching details through the sides of this tank top. And just to give you some sense of the cotton and polyester blend material of this tank top right there, the softness, and once again the close-up details. And if we try and stretch it a little as well, so you can see just tugging on the overall details right there with a little bit of stretch. Of the fabric. So once again giving you that full view of the tank top as best I can, front, back, and now let's go ahead and try it on. So panning the camcorder up and just walking myself around. So I do have a 38-inch circumference chest. So giving you a look at the tank top just next to me, just so you have some sense of the sizing and details before I put it on. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try it on. So this is the Volcom Circle Blanks tank top in heather black and in the small size on my 38-inch circumference or size chest. And giving you a look at the details there as well, at the back. And of course the side. And let's see if I can keep my hair to the side so you have a better look at the fitment. And of course the response. And design of this tank top. So giving you a much closer in look as well, and see how it wears on my body. So doing a full rotation there, and of course walking about to give you a better sense of the way the material responds. And once again giving you some sense of the stretchability, if any. So be mindful of the tags here, just going to tuck them perhaps on the inside. Hopefully they don't cut me up. And the back once again. So all the details as best I can. And giving you that closer in look with the on-body shot right there. So that's the Volcom Circle Blanks Tank Top heather black in the size small. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!